Asking your subscribers to participate in a survey or take a quiz is just another way to make them feel included in your journey as a business or an organization. The information that you collect from these initiatives is very valuable and will help you in your decision-making process. Let me show you how to do it. In the dashboard, click on Campaigns and let's create a new campaign. I'll call mine Survey Demo. It's going to be a regular campaign. Click Next. And then here, my subject line is going to be, "Are you happy with our services?" Scroll down and you can edit and modify this information if you need to, and then click Next. Now, I'm going to choose a survey template from the template gallery. In the drop-down menu, I'll pick Survey and choose the customer satisfaction template. Now we're taken to the drag and drop editor and we already have the survey block ready to be modified. But in case you're starting from scratch, in the block menu, you can choose a survey or a quiz block. Remember that you can only add one or the other to a campaign. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate the survey, but both of these blocks work the same way. Now let's modify and edit this survey block. Click on the edit icon and here you can apply the changes. When you click on this field, you'll be able to select the type of survey question you want. In this template, we have 3 questions, but let's quickly go over the type of questions we have. The intro question invites your customers to participate in the survey. The satisfaction score will help you measure customer satisfaction with your product or services. Net promoter score will help you assess your customers' enthusiasm. Multiple choice and multiple image choice are straightforward. Let your customer choose one option. The open question lets your customer voice their opinion in their own words. Like and dislike is as simple as yes or no question, and it will give you a straight answer from your customers. The matrix question will give you an overall view and opinion of your product or services. And the outro question gives you the opportunity to thank your customers and lets them submit the survey. To edit the content in your selected questions, simply click on the edit icon and change the text. You'll be able to change the look in each one of these elements, choose the color, and modify it to your liking. And you can also add rules to each or some of these questions. So for example, I'm going to add a rule right here. Select the question I'd like to add the rule to, add a condition, is answered with a specific answer, select the answer, and then add the action. So let's say a subscriber chose product A. I'm going to add them to a group, select the group, and now I'll be able to engage this subscriber with more information about product A. Now I'm going to create a few more questions really quickly. I suggest you pause this video, play around with the tool, try out the questions for yourself, and modify the content to suit your brand, your services, or products. Okay, now I'm going to jump to a different template for just a second to show you the quiz block. I'm going to drag it into the newsletter, and as you can see, it's almost identical with the same settings and rules, but you only have 3 types of questions. And at the end of the quiz, your subscriber gets to see their quiz results, and you can modify the text, rules, and design just the way I demonstrated in the survey block. Okay, back to the survey template. When you click Done Editing, you'll need to choose the group or groups you'd like to send this survey to, then click Next. And here you'll be able to make the last few edits to your info, the content, and recipients, and then click Next. And this is it. You can send it right away or schedule it for later, like every other campaign, and there you have it. Make sure to use surveys and quizzes to learn more about your subscribers. Thanks for watching. Make sure to click the bell button below so you don't miss any new tutorials. You can also find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and subscribe to our newsletter. The link is in the description section below. Have an awesome day or night, and I'll see you in the next video.